Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann. I am a Jamaican real estate agent. Today I'm bringing to you this lovely furnished one bedroom, one bathroom located at the Ascot, and this is near the intersection where Russell Heights stoplight is located. These are the specs of the property. Remember to subscribe and let's jump straight into the property tour. So we're not on the ground floor today, we're actually upstairs. However, this cozy rental, I really think you guys are going to love it. So this is what the view looks like overhead, looking down into the parking lot. Some of the features about this property is there's adequate parking, plus there's also a dry area. However, the landlord for this specific unit has added a washer dryer unit, so you won't have to worry about using that dry area if you don't want to. The property is beautifully decorated. Everything is modern in terms of the decor, but it also has, I don't know if it's a rustic country feel to it in terms of the decor, but I really like it. This is the office desk, which is in the living room space. The cushions and the couch go together so beautifully. The desk has a lot of nice decor in terms of the painting on the wall, the pieces on the wall, the dried branches to the side of the couch, the lamp. I wish I had gotten a close-up of the lamp. It's very textured with like rose type of petals around the shade. This is the kitchen area where you have two breakfast stools, and I'm trying to get like an overhead view so you guys can have an idea of how the kitchen will be laid out. Again, fully furnished, so you'll have your stove, you'll have your microwave, your dish drainer is right there, your sink is to the back of the kitchen, and you can tell that the owner really took time to look at the space and color code and pick out the correct pieces that would go well for a small space like this. When you have a small space, it has to be functional and it has to flow, and I think this particular unit has achieved that. You have double door fridge, which is very good considering the space. And then when we enter the bedroom area, this is what I was telling you about, that rustic country vibe. It is so unique. I don't think I've seen anything in Jamaica like this since I have been filming, but I am in love. If you watch HGTV, you guys know what I am talking about, from the chandelier to the textured tiles towards the back of the bed there, to the painting with the zebras. The whole thing just tied together so nicely. The place was super comfy. I also noticed that the vehicular noise was not too bad in the unit as well. I think they built the property to keep the sound waves out, which is very good considering where it is located. And also, if you notice, the closet space, the storage space, all of that was really nicely done. So here are the textured tiles that I was telling you about. As you can see, it's behind the bed head, and it kind of brings in the theme of the bedroom space, which is browns, textures, and more natural rusty vibes. It's just so nice. I'm not gonna lie, I was really stunned. This listing is actually a Century 21 listing done by my colleague, and so if anybody is watching this video and you're interested in renting it, go ahead and contact me at 876-465-8811. This is a separate closet space in the bedroom with the water tank. The property also has water heater, might I mention, so all of that comes with your rental. This is the bathroom area, so they maintain that theme in the bathroom as well by having textured stones in the niche, and the niche is that square space that you see in the wall, and then they have a wall creating some sort of enclosure. They kept the sink transparent, right, just to keep the space open, not too boring or anything. And then they have this little orchid in the corner to just pick up on some color. There's also utility sockets in the wall if you need to blow dry your hair or anything of the sort. And then the same stones in the niche are the same stones that run from the wall down to the shower floor. Isn't that great, guys? There's also shelving there for your towels, drawer space for your accessories. Like I said, the space was so cozy. It just reminded me, it took me back to HGTV days. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comment below, email me, give me a call, and as usual, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys, and have a wonderful week.